In Waypoint Flight mode, the aircraft can automatically complete a preset flight trajectory and shooting actions according to the planned route parameters. In this video, we will explain how to use the Waypoint Flight function in DJI Fly. Start Waypoint Flight. Find a target and determine what perspective you'll capture it from. Tap the Waypoint Flight function icon on the left side of the screen to start route planning. Make waypoints. Make a waypoint far away from the target. In the Waypoint Operation panel, tap the plus sign. Press the Remote Control FN button, or the C1 button if you are using DJI RC. After the waypoint is marked, the aircraft will record the flight altitude, heading, gimbal tilt, and other data at this point. Set a POI. After the waypoint is associated with the POI, the aircraft calculates the gimbal orientation according to the relative position with the point of interest. After the aircraft flies above the target, enter the POI operation panel to create a point of interest. Set waypoints on the map. Enter the map interface, and in the Waypoint Operation panel, make another waypoint with the POI as the center in the relative direction of the existing waypoint. Long press the waypoint icon on the map and drag to move the waypoint. POI moves in the same way as waypoints on the map. Waypoint settings. Waypoint settings include camera action, altitude, speed, heading, gimbal tilt, zoom mode, and hover. Set the heading of the waypoint to the POI. Tap Apply to All on the upper right to apply the currently set parameters to all waypoints. Tap the left or right in the title to switch the waypoint setting. POI settings. In the POI height setting panel, adjust the height to the position of the shooting point. Then, associate the POI with the two waypoints. Route settings. Tap the three dots on the right to enter the route settings. Please do not set the route speed too fast. When the route distance is about 100 meters, the recommended route speed is 2 meters per second. At the end of the route, or if the aircraft is out of control, the default action of the aircraft is to return. Executing a flight route. Before starting the route, please check the obstacle avoidance settings in the safety settings. Tap Go, and the aircraft will start uploading the waypoint route. After starting the route, the operation interface will display the time, waypoint, and route distance information. After the task starts, tap Pause to suspend the route task. At this time, if you tap X to end the task, the aircraft will return to the route editing state. After finishing the route, the aircraft will execute the ending action set in the route settings. Saving a route. Tap the list icon on the left side of the Waypoint Operation panel to enter the route task list, and manually save the current route. Tap the pencil icon to modify the route task name. Tap the icon in the upper right corner to change the sorting method of routes. Tap the Waypoint Flight icon on the left side of the screen to exit the route planning mode. If you tap Save and Exit, the current route will be directly saved to the task library.